Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to save PDFs file in CorelDRAW. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular logo file right here, I want to save it as PDF. It can be design, it can be text or whatever. In CorelDRAW, you can save it as PDF of high quality. How do we do that? First thing first, what you want to do here is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and click on Export, or better still, you can click on Ctrl+E on your keyboard. Then this window here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file destination. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on, I'm going to save this file in my desktop. Then go ahead and click under Save as Type, click on here. Then here, this is where you need to look for PDF file format. Go ahead and make sure you click on Adobe Portable Document Format. Select on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Export. Now you have a preset right here. Under the general preset, you have current documents. If you are saving as many as possible pages, you can choose all the pages right here and the pages number right here. But in this tutorial, we are saving just one as PDF. Then you have presentation document right here, document distribution right here. So you have document distribution, you have different formats right here. You can leave it in document distribution. Then compatibility, so here you can leave it in Adobe Acrobat, just like default everything right here. So if you have anything about color, click on color section right here. Use document color settings. So if you want to change to another color, you can click on use color proof settings. Okay, so I'm good with the document settings. Then check on the object right here. Then you have the object here to be compression file type. It's going to be in JPEG file. However, you can decide to use different other form of file right here. So the current quality of the JPEG, go ahead and make sure you increase it to 100% so you get higher resolution right here. Then go ahead and click on print rest. If it is something that you want to print, so what you need to do right here is that make sure you add bleed limit right here. So you can decide to choose a different pixel for bleed limit. This is depends on the type of the document it is. Go ahead and click on security. If you want to add password to the document, go ahead and click on open password. And once you click on open password, go ahead and enter your password right here. Then confirm your password. Once you are done, that is for security. Lastly, come down below right here and go ahead and click on OK right here. And the file will be successfully exported as PDF. So let's go ahead and find out the PDF right here. So we have the PDF right here. So by the time I click on the PDF and I try to open it, so let's see. I'm going to open it with Microsoft Edge browser. Then it's going to ask for password. So I'll go ahead and enter the password and click on open file. Now we have it right here, successful. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your yeah, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.